Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another Cricut Joy card that you can make on your Maker, and I'm sure you can make them on the Explorer series as well. So Cricut Design Space has new cards, which is exciting. We are going to do the floral egg card today. And while that is loading, the materials you'll need a piece of cardstock cut at 5.5 by 8.5 inches and an insert cut at 4 by 5.25 inches. I'm going to go ahead and pre-score my card at 4.25 inches. So I placed the card on my mat to have an 1/8 inch gap all around. I want to make sure that at the 14 mark that there's a little gap between the number 14 and the edge of the card as well. That's there and everything should match up. Let's load our mat. And we're in Design Space. The only thing you'll need to do, which this design you don't need to, but in any other design you'll want to mirror the image. I'm going to go ahead and just mirror it as a step to show you. Come over here and press continue. And then you'll want to make sure that your correct materials are selected. I like fast mode. And we'll press the go button. Unload your mat, and we'll pull it off the mat. And then you fold your card. Put your insert in. And there's the card. My edge got caught on the design. So, yeah, I hope you guys like that, and I will see you next time.